Okay, so here we are.
This is Eating Your Feed. My name is Nikki. This is Andrew. Our friends Adam and Annie challenge us to recreate some of the most viral foods on the internet. Today we are making mozzarella.
Today we're watching a tasty video called How Mozzarella is Made, which is about a place in New York City called Casa della Mozzarella. So they have a big block of mozzarella curd.
A guitar, that's just a way to cut it up. Heat up curds with hot water and you add salt and you kind of squidge it together. Stretch. That's the cheese pull you want. And they make it into this little like ball shape. This is a process of mozzarella curd to mozzarella.
So we're gonna have to make our own mozzarella curd for sure.
We need to start from a milk.
A milk product.
This is a mozzarella recipe on Epicurious, and it does call for liquid rennet. What is rennet? Curdled milk from the stomach of an unweaned calf.
Oh! So hopefully we can get that at
Whole Foods. Like always, our good friend and tasty producer / chef, Rie is here. Do you know anything about how to make mozzarella? Great, me neither. Basically, it's milk, rennet, citric acid, and salt. You just like mix all of this together, you heat it up, you stir it, and then you set it aside and it becomes curds.
Yes.
And then we're gonna eat it after we make it. So is there anything you'd like to eat with some fresh mozzarella?
Pizza?
Yes.
I think it's not that difficult.
All right, we got stuff. Rennet tablets.
Citric acid.
1/4 teaspoon liquid rennet. Told us not to use junket, but that's what that is.
We should go to the Silver Lake cheese store.
What if they don't have liquid rennet?
Hi, I know you're a cheese store, but I'm looking to make my own cheese, and I'm looking for this thing called rennet, preferably liquid rennet. Okay, thank you. Take care now.
Love you.
I do not love him. Yeah, this cheese store has liquid rennet, so we're in luck.
We have liquid vegetable rennet.
All right, let's get out of here. We got cheese to make.
Please don't take this for rennet.
This rennet is double strength. Use 1/3 of what recipe calls for. So we're starting with 1 gallon of milk. We will need 1/12 of a teaspoon.
How about like 3 drops?
I think it's preposterous that's
That's like not even gonna make it into the bowl.
1/4 cup of water for 1/4 teaspoon of liquid rennet. I think I'd rather overdo it.
You'd rather have 2 cheese than no. No.
All right,
no
all right.
more,
It's-
no
it's-
more.
Just seems preposterous. Like that few drops of a thing is
see
real.
if we
That
even
was
get
important. That's what we drove all over town for. A couple of drip drops.
Citric acid, I need a cup of water. Mozzarella comes from the heart, not the brain.
But it comes from the udder. Should we drink a little?
1 gallon of whole milk, add the citric acid mixture, heat to a medium-high heat until it reaches 90 degrees. Oh, it's curdling.
91.
Stir for 30 seconds. Oh, stir in the rennet, stir in the rennet.
Every drop counts. Okay, it's been 30 seconds.
But we were supposed to add the rennet and then stir for 30 seconds.
All right, just give it another 15 seconds.
Cover and set aside for 5 minutes. Bye-bye.
No!
Oh, whoa!
Yeah, it says a gelatin-like consistency. Would you say that's a gelatin-like
I would say
consistency?
this is pretty gelatinous.
Set the pot over medium heat.
We're gonna stir intermittently without breaking up the curds that we just cut.
Give it a gentle stir, Nikki. We're gonna be reaching a temperature of 105 degrees.
Whoa, some curds are hotter than others. Some curds are hotter than others. Yeah, okay, I'm turning off the heat.
Here it comes. Oh, it's already kind of cheesy.
Pretty cheesy. Wow. Oh no, wait, we were supposed to set it aside for another 5 minutes. Put it back! Put it all back. 5 minutes here, into the strainer, discard the whey, clump the curds. It looks like cheese. We're straining out as much of the liquid as possible. So this is the leftover liquid. It's called whey.
Need salt.
Oh yeah, that's curdy. It's real bouncy. Oh! Ugh, these look like gross pantyhose.
So we've made our own mozzarella curd, and now we're basically going to season it with salt, gently melt it with some hot water until it becomes elastic and kind of comes together as a single globular cheese mass.
Ooh, we're getting stretchy.
Yeah.
Whoa.
The paddle's too big for this bowl.
Can you overwork it? Is there such thing? Do we have to like dump out this water and get hotter water in there?
Yeah.
We've definitely made progress, but I think we've kind of lost it on this step here.
It's kind of like stuffing it under and then squeezing it so it erupts from the top of his hand. Look how smooth that is. Mozzarella.
Mozzarella. Let's cut it. Ooh.
That is mozzarella.
That looks like cheese.
Yeah, this is mozzarella.
I don't know what mozzarella tastes like right now. Is that the right texture?
No, this is way too curd-like.
Yeah, we shouldn't be able to split it open like this. This looks like a vagina.
Do you feel
went.
discouraged? I may have added too much rennet.
Rennet. So I think we also overworked the curds.
Okay, now let's heat it over.
Medium heat.
Stop recording each other.
So last time when we did this, I just like ripped it apart with my hands. So what we're gonna do instead, I let them dry out and then cut it into curds. We don't have a guitar, but we cut it up into pieces. And this is when we add the salt, which we should use more than we used last time. Now we're adding the boiling water in hopes of melting the cheese together. Does it feel different than it did last time?
Yeah, it feels softer overall. Tug it down to like kind of stretch out all of the what might be inside of it, you know?
Yeah.
We should keep it in one mass though, because if we have too many strings and we
Yeah.
fold it over on itself, then it's just a ball of strings. Okay, we're gonna set our finished mozzarella balls in a little basin of ice water.
Nice. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Those are like the folds, but they're
Yeah.
definitely not as big as previously. I'd say it's still pretty rubbery.
Just doesn't have like that rich dairy taste.
Still has that squeak to it.
Can we ask Rie?
Doesn't have flavor.
So here we are on day two
Day
of eating your cheese. After watching a bunch of videos, I think we've realized that the recipe we were referencing,
It's designed to make cheese as fast as possible. So overall, we're gonna be taking more time on each step today. We're also using raw milk today. So we'll pretty much be doing the same thing, just taking more time. It smells like cheese!
Looking for a nice thick blob.
look like you're about to go fencing. On God.
Our cheese has set for another 15 minutes. That already looks better. Oh, it's a firm curd. When we add the hot water to initially heat up the curd, we're gonna let that water come to room temperature. I'll throw in some salt. Look at that!
Cheese! Oh my God, it feels like freshly shampooed hair.
Ew!
Let's hot blast it, and then we're gonna start making our bowls.
Ooh, ha, hoo!
Lava. This is cheese lava.
It's so hot!
They say that you don't use gloves.
There's no way possible that you can make mozzarella with gloves.
Only the real cheese, only the real art gets formed when you do it like this. God, it's such a core temperature.
No.
Oh yeah, mine's got bubbles. Sorry.
Oddly sexual.
Do you see that? So next we're gonna make a little saltwater brine. So we're gonna add some of our drained whey, which will be the liquid that our finished mozzarella balls will go into so that they can be seasoned.
Ooh, yeah. Oh, please be good. I can't tell if it's still rubbery. Maybe more stretching?
Still need salt, like inside.
We're gonna make another batch. What we're adjusting this time is we're gonna go down to 1 drop of rennet because too much rennet can result in a rubbery cheese.
There's zero curd in here.
It didn't curd. Only thing we changed was the rennet. All right, well that didn't work. So here we go, 2 drops of rennet. In our first few attempts, we at least got to a gelatinous curd after 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, we should check. Okay, it's been 5 minutes, we're gonna take a look.
We're doing something wrong. It's liquid, it's completely liquid. Let's give it 5 more minutes. Been another 5 minutes. Yeah, we're That's not cheese.
What the did we do? Everything has been exactly the same. I don't know why.
This is the problem with raw milk.
The last time we did 5 minutes, it was with the pasteurized milk, not the raw milk.
We're gonna put this pot on hold in case it thickens up. Why don't we just each make our own batches?
Done.
May the best cheese ball win. I will make a batch of cheese.
With the pasteurized milk.
Nikki's gonna make another attempt with the last raw milk gallon we have. And either cheese is gonna happen today or we're just gonna have lots of pots of milk.
I'm adding my rennet. 1, 2. You're going 3 drops?
Yeah. Got my citric acid nice and dissolved.
All right, so it's been about 30 minutes on this guy. It's definitely curdled. More, looks like. Oh yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, it's working. It just needed more time. What we thought was our failed 5th attempt has been sitting for another 15 minutes, and it's actually working. I'm gonna keep making that. This worked. 5 minutes doesn't work with raw milk.
That's a nice looking curd though.
This looks really similar to the video. It's like super grainy and crumbly. There's a lot of salt in here. I'm a little worried this isn't coming together like the first one did. Not enough salt, too much salt.
Oh God, is that? I'm not giving up on this.
Why? Why would it be too much salt? That is the only thing we changed. Can we get water out of here and get more hot water in here? Something's happening. Something's happening.
So much cheese.
Is it really?
Yeah, eat that.
It's cheese. Okay, I think we should go more boiling water. Mother of pearl.
I think we should just try to form it into a big ball.
Yeah, one big ball. Oh, sweet baby Jesus.
Keep it in the water. Keep the temperature high.
I think I should ball it up now.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really hot.
Do you want me to get the cold water to cool your hands?
Maybe. I don't know if I can do this. Do you need a hand up?
Yeah. Okay, I'm good. Okay, it's pretty good. Here we go. I'm good.
I think this is
Yeah,
it.
put it in the water. Get it.
Oh, I feel alive! We never gave up. I know. All right, it's time to cut into that last extremely hot and painful ball of mozzarella.
Ooh.
Oh, it's so soft.
Is it? Wow.
This feels like mozzarella, right? Oh. It's really soft. I
Wow.
think it's too soft.
It's like creamy inside. No, it's perfect.
Yeah.
That's perfect.
Yes! Yes!
The texture is amazing. It's like almost liquid, yeah.
Yes!
Yeah!
This is our victory.
It's a symphony on your mouth.
We're making little pizza doughs from the dough that Rie made. For pizza.
Oh, should we put a sliced garlic?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so focaccia, I think we should go cheese, olive oil, and salt. Let's bake it!
We got some basil.
We eventually got to a cheese that I think closely resembles that in the video.
Didn't need Rie's help at all.
Yeah.
Well, just a little bit. She made all of this stuff.
So we've got a charcuterie board with prosciutto, your Parmesan from your cheese wheel, some crackers, 2 types of salami. We have focaccia.
Okay, season finale. Let's all eat some cheese.
Yeah. Cheers. Cheers. Oh, This is so good. We had lovely mozzarella pulls.
And then we finally had what we think
Mozzarella-like.
mozzarella looks like.
The season has been many stressful days of trial and error. All the foods that are made in those viral food videos are made by people who are like masters of their craft. And so it's just been really fun to try and like replicate their process and see how they do things. Get a little bit of a behind the scenes taste and make it for ourselves.
You can't fail every time. This has been Eating Your Feed.